Good morning, fifth graders. We're moving on to our day 2 work for this week. And today our focus is I can read, review, and practice words with vowel variants. Okay, so vowel variants are vowels that are working in a different way than they normally do. All right, so you will need your My Word Study book. Do you see this 2 up in the corner? Make sure you have book number 2. And then you'll open up to page 2. Okay, and feel free to pause this video if you need to grab it. All right, and we're looking at our words that have the short O sound. Now, I know sometimes it's tricky to remember what the short sound is. I always use the word olive, to remind myself, and you know you're making that short O sound correctly if your chin drops. So if you say olive, So we're looking for that sound. All right, so let's start us off with underlining words where you hear the sound. Could be all, alk, all, or ah. Okay, so there's different ways that you'll see that sound being made. All right, so I'm going to switch my screen here to Benchmark because I don't have the book in front of me. All right, and you also have the option to work on Benchmark if this is a better fit for you. Okay, so if we're looking for that saw, okay, I feel my chin drop right away. So saw makes that short O sound. Jaws, that makes the short vowel sound. Okay, so that's 2. Okay, why don't you pause the video and see if you can find 3 more that are making the sound. All right, and then after we've circled the 5 words that make the sound, we're going to practice pronouncing each one of these words. Now, you may choose to read these aloud or practice them with someone else. Okay, in a minute here, I'm going to read through the list as well, so you can follow along with me to at least hear them once before you practice them on your own. And then you'll find one other person to work with, and they'll time you for 1 minute. See how many of these words you can read in 1 minute. All right, so I'm going to flip back to Benchmark here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and read through these words. I'm going to start at the top left corner. And I'm going to read the words above the gray line first. Right? These tend to be 1-syllable words. And then the words below the gray line tend to be multi-syllable words. All right. So here we have saw, fault, salt, ball, walk, gnaw, draws, crawls, stalk, lawn, jaws, cause, halt, call, talks, hawk, jaw, straws, claw, raw, straw, pause, draw, small, stalk, wall, cause, pause, launch, vault, claw, launch, brawl, falls, chalk, sprawl, salt, small, falls, maul, raw, vault, crawl, maul, lawn, thaw, walk, chalk, gnaw, hawk. All right, now the same thing below the gray line. Seesaw, August, also, baseball, beanstalk, audience, lawyer, because, almost, haunted. Awesome, because, almost, installment, taught, dinosaur, sausage, August, installment, audiences. Somersault, author, always, rainfall, distraught, daughter, awful, awesome, somersault, causing. Outlaw, causing, withdraw, recalled, haunted, autumn, strawberry, retaught, authors, laundry, jigsaw, launched, yawning, waterfall, applaud, laundry, lawnmower, recalled, dinosaurs, and autumn. All right, go ahead and practice these a few more times in your own head, and then find the person that will time you for today. Nice work, 5th graders.